Did you know that there are ancient and universal laws of money which everybody should know? Throughout history, people have recognized certain principles that can help us manage our finances and achieve financial success. In this video, we will explore some of these laws and how they can be applied in our lives today. Let's get started. The law of abundance. This law states that there is an abundance of money and resources in the universe, and we can tap into this abundance by adopting an abundance mindset. This means focusing on opportunities rather than limitations and being open to receiving abundance in all areas of your life. By adopting an abundance mindset, we can attract more wealth and prosperity in our lives. The second law of money is the law of exchange. This law states that money is a form of energy that must be exchanged for goods or services. To earn money, you must provide value to others through your skills, knowledge, or products. This law reminds us that money is not something we can simply acquire without effort, but rather something we must earn through our contribution to society. The third law of money is the law of karma. This law states that the energy you put out into the world will come back to you. In the context of money, this means that if you give generously and with a pure intention, you will receive abundance in return. By giving back to society and helping others, we can attract more wealth and blessings into our lives. The third law of money is the law of saving. This law states that saving a portion of your income is essential for long-term financial stability and success. By saving and investing wisely, you can build wealth over time and achieve your financial goals. This law reminds us that while it's important to enjoy the present, we must also plan for the future and save for the rainy days. The fifth and the most important law of the money is the law of gratitude. This law states that expressing gratitude for what you have attracts more abundance into your life. By being grateful for the money and resources you have, you can attract more wealth and prosperity. To be honest, this is the most underrated law. I would like to request that if you like the content, please give a subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching, and please watch the next video.